Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Samsung Wallet in 2025. Do you want to use Samsung Wallet in 2025? Well, follow the simple step. Step 1. Open Samsung Wallet. You tap the Samsung Wallet app on your phone. Now if you don't have it, just simply download it from the Galaxy Store. Next, you have to log in with your Samsung account. Then grant necessary permissions, that is NFC, location if required. Add payment cards. You can tap add card and then select credit debit card. Scan your card or enter details manually. Don't forget to verify with your bank's OTP or app authentication. Next step is to enable quick access. So you go to settings, tap on quick access, choose double press side key for instant access. Then you can make a payment by holding your phone near a contactless terminal. Authenticate with fingerprint or PIN and it is done. It's as simple as that. Samsung Wallet supports biometric authentication for all transactions as of 2025, and some banks may require extra verification due to regional differences. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.